It's November 2nd. Today is my birthday. I invited my best friend in my birthday party. Are you free this afternoon? It's my birthday today. I'd like to invite you to my birthday party. Sure, I can come, they said. I was so happy. After school, I came back with them. They gave me some Ami birthday gift. It is very nice. We went to dining room. My mom prepared delicious food for us. There are lots of kind of food on the table. They shouted, "Wow, what nice food!" My mom brought out some bulgogi. They ate many bulgogi. They liked kimchi. It's a little hot but tasty. My mom brought out some juice for us. I was happy today. It's November 2nd. It's my birthday today. I invited my best friend in my birthday party. Are you free this afternoon? I'd like invite you to my birthday party. Sure, I can come. Sure, I can come, they said. I was so happy. We went to dining room. My mom prepares delicious food. There are lots of food on the table. They shouted, "Wow, what nice food! What nice food!" My mom brought us some bulgogi. They ate some bulgogi. They liked kimchi. It's a little spicy, but tasty. My mom brought out some juice. I was so happy today.